Brian.
Oh no! That was crazy.
All right, guys, this is for all the marbles.
Hello, folks. I'm Netcruzer RC. I'm at Crestwood RC Raceway for the season opener of 2026. This is May 30th, 2026. We're just at the end of Qual 2. I'm happy to report that I'm done my quals and I have sorted into the A main for both my classes. In E-Buggy, this is my Techno EB48 2.1, pretty much a fairly stock 2.1. I have not done any of the other tuning options that are currently available for lowering the diffs or changing the shocks or going to a wider pivot. The newest 2.2 plus spec is a 2.2 car which has the lower 2mm lower diffs. It also has the newest option parts are short shock, wide pivot. I'm not doing that because I think that's more for a more aggressive, higher grip track. I'm very happy with my 2.1. I have loved my 2.1 from day one, but over the season I am going to eventually put on a few more 2.2 parts. So I am going to try the split shock towers later this year. I just didn't get to it because I was busy painting up a body. So this is again a stock Techno body, but I've gone for a bright fluorescent green to white this year because a lot of my other racers are starting to run red and white, and I wanted it to be a little bit different, as well as it works nice with my sponsor decals, the Gens Ace and Hobby Hideaway, and the Techno RC looks nice on the green. It's also nice and bright on track because that's a fluorescent green. Gens Ace, this is a Gens Ace Redline 1.0 6000 milliamp hour 4S. I would like to get the 6300 for this car as well. I just don't have it yet. And I am on the newest generation of Hobby Wing on this vehicle. This is the XR8 Pro G3, and this is a 1900 kV motor. I failed to mention it, but on the Truggy I run a 2200 kV motor. Tires, since I am open tire sponsor this year, I can run any tire brand that I want, and I had these in a bin in my garage and I forgot about them. These are Proline Fugitive X3 compound, which is the equivalent of a soft long wear. They're a very small block tire, and I'm shocked on how well these are working today. The grip level is actually better than these Sweep carbide tees and soft on this Fugitive soft long wear. Very happy with that. Tuning is all the same as it was last year. The car is actually doing very well, and my Q1 was great, but Q2 was not as hot, and I am currently sitting 9th overall, so I will be starting the A main in P9. Did upgrade my radio, so I'm on the FlySky Noble Plus this year. It's very similar. I mean, it has the same race response as what I had on my original Noble, but the screen is so much brighter. I can actually see it outdoors now at a big, bright 8-scale off-road race. You can actually read the screen. It's off right now, so you can't see it, but yeah, it's been working out great. Here we go in the A1 E-Buggy main. We're starting in P9 in the A1 main. We'll see how we do at Crestwood RC Raceway. It's really dusty. Look up a big dust bowl here. Every time a car goes around, it's a really fun track. We'll see how we do. See if we can move up from 9th up to maybe 6th or even 3rd. That'd be great if we can get a podium range.
Brian Keith, Sheldon Hopper,
okay, practice lap.
Justin Wilson, John Kennedy, Brandon Hall.
Okay, so that B main, it was Nathan that won it, right? So Nathan goes up next.
Nathan Porterfield.
And then Connor.
Connor Potterfield.
Okay, I think we got her right, hopefully. So we got 12 E-Buggies in this, guys. I need all of our marshals on point. 10-minute race, and then just so you guys are aware, the B main and nitro buggy is 10 minutes as well. It's not 7, I'm gonna make it 10. Too many more races to get done.
We're only doing single A
mains.
mains.
So we're dropping race 11 and race 12.
That means that my E-Truggy unlocked.
The E-Truggy's already been done.
So yeah, I'm locked in 5th on E-Truggy now.
Just pick one, Andrew. Wherever, is there any spot? If not, then just come up when I need you.
Alright, so we gotta try and move up.
If I need you. But okay guys, just so you're aware, we're gonna do this one 10 minutes. Then we're gonna do a 10-minute B main nitro buggy, 20-minute A main nitro buggy. We're gonna finish up race number 10 with a 8-minute 40+ E-Buggy, and that's it. Okay, we're going. Okay, marshal's ready, driver's ready, on the tone. All right, I need a marshal in there. We got a stuck car. All right, Barrett out of the gate into the number 1. Chris in the 2. Anthony 3. Sheldon 4. Brandon, John, Nathan, Steeler, Justin, Gump, Connor, and Brian.
Oh no! That was crazy.
All right, guys, this is for all the marbles. Top 3, I believe, get prizes from NutriFarms. Whoever was in the E-Truggy race with me, take a look. The top 3 are going to be on the podium because we are not doing another E-Truggy race. We just don't have the time for it today.
Oh no, sorry Steeler.
So whatever the A1 of the E-Truggy, that is the final. All right, Barrett 1.5 down, 8.5 to go. Barrett in the 1, Chris in the 2, Anthony, Justin, Gump, Connor, Sheldon, John, Steeler, Nathan, Brian K, and Brandon Hong. All right, 1 and 2 down the front, Barrett and Chris. As you can see, neck and neck, both got a little bit of pink in the cars. Those guys are 1 and 2 right now. And we got Chris trying to get in on Barrett here. We'll see what these 2 guys with the pink cars can do. On the second lane, they come down to the front stretch, over the loop, checking off each of them their 5th lap, 1.3 seconds apart. Anthony Bishamer, 400 RC compound driver in that number 3. Justin in the 4. Gump in the 5. 2.5 down, 7.5 to go. Connor 6. Nathan 7. John, Steeler, Brian K, Sheldon, and Brandon.
Damn it, just lost like 3
Barrett Morrow coming down to check off the loop. Not far behind him, Chris Rad. Still now coming into some lap traffic. The pink cars are 1 and 2 drivers. If the pink cars come up on you, please give them way. Both of them. And then I've got Anthony Bishamer in the purple car coming out of the south side of the track. Purple with the white rim and the clear wing. That is your number 3. Give him a little bit of space if necessary. We got Gump trying his best in the number 4. Gump 6.1 seconds back. Justin in the 5. 2 seconds back for you, Justin. Drivers are now 3.5 in, 6.5 to go. A little bit of lap traffic going on here for Barrett and Chris. Oh boy, now we are tightening up. We got Barrett holding in the 1. Chris in the 2. Down the front to the north side of the track they go. Barrett holding off Chris. Chris tries to get an inside line in the 3rd lane. Barrett blocks him out. Coming onto the south side of the track. Down they go. Keep her clean, guys, and keep it fun. A little bit of rail slide for Chris Rad. Into the front stretch, catching onto the loop. Down they go. 5:45 to go, drivers. Those guys are keeping pretty snug right now. We'll see what happens. Anthony Bishamer not out of it. He's a fast guy. He's only 6.6 seconds back. We'll see what's going to go down here. We had Barrett get a little wide, almost caught the bail, but he did manage to get around it. Oh, he took a bit of pipe, coming a little bit of pit lane pipe by accident. So now that's got Chris Rat in the number 1 in the blue and pink with the white wing. Barrett Morrow now in the chase. The reverse is going on. 5 minutes down, drivers. 5 minutes to go. We're halfway through this A main of E-Buggy. Top 3 go to the podium. All right, Chris in the pink. Morrow in the pink. On to the south side. Guys are very well paced. These guys know how to drive the cars. On to the third lane, single to double transition. We need a marshal for Barrett, please. Very quick marshal by Andrew, good job. So that's going to give Chris a little bit of breathing room there. But we'll see what happens now. Let me get a line on our number 3 driver, Anthony Bissemer. Where is Anthony? Oh, there he is. He just caught the loop here now. So he's got 10 seconds between him and Barrett. All right, with 4 minutes to go, our full running order. Chris, Barrett, Anthony, Justin, Brian, Steeler, Connor, Brian K, John, Nathan, Brandon, and Sheldon. Race number 8, Nitro Buggy B Main. I will change it to a 10-minute. You guys are up next. Stephen D, Kurt, Carter, Joel, Tim, Monty, Kenny, Curtis, Chris Riley, Ryan T, Alex, and Gramick. You guys are up in the B Main Nitro Buggy. 3:25 to go. Chris Ratt working through a little bit of lap traffic. Thank you, driver. That guy is our number 1. He's got 4.3 second gap between him and Barrett Morrow in that number 2 position. Barrett's working his way on the back stretch down to the south side. We got Chris Ratt coming onto the loop. So it looks like Barrett's starting to tighten up on him a little bit here. 4.1 apart. Not too bad. Lots of time yet. Still just under 3 minutes to go. And we got a dead car. Chris Ratt's car has stopped. And that is very unfortunate. He was laying it down. So now I've got Barrett Morrow taking over the number 1 position. We'll see if Chris can get back into this. All right. That is very unfortunate. Chris had an amazing race going there. So now I've got Barrett in the 1, Anthony in the 2. And Chris is still holding in the 3rd. Oh, Justin just bumped him out. So now I got Barrett, Anthony, Justin. 2 minutes to go, drivers, 2 minutes. I'll give you the full rundown here in a moment. But our cars are now fairly spaced out. We got Anthony 12 seconds away from Barrett Morrow in the number 2. Justin 8 seconds back in the number 3. Gump, so there's the one to watch. Gump is in the 4, and he's 5 seconds back with a minute and a half to go to try to get himself on the podium over Justin Wilson. We'll see what happens. 1:25 to go.
I have no idea who those cars are. He's just calling names, not colors. No idea who to yield for and who to race with. No clue.
I hit Michael cutoff. What?
One minute left.
All right, you heard it. 1 minute to go. So our full rundown is Barrett, Anthony, Justin, Gump, Steeler, Brian K, Connor, John, Nathan, Chris, Sheldon, and Brandon. All right, drivers, 30 seconds to go. Everybody's pretty spread apart here now. Nobody's changing up unless they have a major catastrophe. And we're going to go into the B Main Nitro Buggy after this.
Five, four, three, two, one.
All right, when you hit the line, your race will be done. Connor, you didn't make it. You are done, Connor. Brian's done. John's done. When you hit the loop in front of the booth, your race is done, drivers.
All right, that was the A1 main.
Anthony's done.
I don't know,
Steeler's done.
maybe 7th, 6th, or 5th if I'm really lucky, because we had a couple of flameouts or a couple of brownouts where they didn't finish. So we'll have to check the stats.
When you hit the
that was a
line,
single A main.
you
We'll see how we did in the end. I'll put the stats in.
All right.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're not subscribe, and want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
And Justin Wilson gets the 3 spot.
Where is it? Where did I land? Thanks for watching.